4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 7, часть 1, страница 16-17. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 7, part number 1, page number 16, 17. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 16. 16. Phonics. Lesson number 7. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Dad. Gran. Can. Clap. That. Back. Talent. My dad and my gran have a special talent. They can ride a bike and clap their hands behind their backs at the same time. Can you do that? Mom, fun, bus, jump, up, uncle, understand, young, cousin, double, come. Young cousin Gus and his mom are in the UK. They want to visit Big Ben. Look, Mom, says Gus, a double-decker bus. Oh, good, says Mom. Come on, let's jump on the bus. So young cousin Gus and his mom are on their way to visit Big Ben. Have fun. The answer. See, green, need, Greece, week, beans, Italy. Greetings from Greece, says Peter. The sheep here eat green beans sweet, Greek sheep. Or all, tall, small, short, poor, often, Portugal. Gloria is a beautiful horse. She's from Portugal. Gloria is an orphan. Poor Gloria hasn't got a mom or dad. Gloria is very young. She needs someone to look after her. Call Mr. Potter. He's got a nice home for orphan horses. The answer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the words. Use A, U, E-A or E. Say the words to your friend. Закончи слова, используя A, U, E-A или E. Проговори слова своему другу. Bus, tall, green, beans, uncle, dad, back, weak, small. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 17. 17. Checkpoint. Контроль знаний. Exercise number 1. Look, read and choose. Посмотри, прочитай и выбери. Lift, through, fair, long, over. This is my super family. We are from the UK. My grandma can lift a lorry. My grandpa can see through walls. My mom's got fair hair. My dad's got long hair. My mom and dad can fly over houses. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose A or B. We are brothers. Our names are Harry and Tom. Прочитай и выбери A или B. Мы братья, нас зовут Гэри и Том. This is my fish. Its name is Goldie. Are these your books? This is Mary and her sister Sue. My cousins live in Australia. Their house is very big. Shakira is my favorite singer. I like her a lot. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Read and answer. What does your friend look like? What is your friend like? What does your teacher look like? What is he, she like? Прочитай и ответь. Как выглядит твой друг? He is tall. He's got dark hair and blue eyes. Какой характер у твоего друга? He is funny. Как выглядит твоя учительница? She's beautiful. She's got fair hair and green eyes. She's tall. Какой у нее характер? She's very clever and kind. Now I can. Name the continents. Say where someone, something is from. Describe people. Say what people are like. Say what I can do. Say and write about my super family in English. Say and write about my super family. Рассказать и написать про мою супер семью. The answer. Everybody dreams of a happy family. Family is very important for every person. My name is Peter. I have got a super family. My father's name is Vladimir. He is a bus driver. He has got dark hair and blue eyes. My father can ride a horse. He is very super. My mother's name is Anne. She is a kindergarten teacher. She has got short curly hair. She can talk to animals. I have got a super dog, Larry. Larry can run super fast. They are a great family. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.